Have a paper check to add to your account? Schwab's mobile deposit feature lets you snap a photo and have funds available quickly, without visiting a branch. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open the Schwab mobile app and tap the menu. Select Deposit Checks. Choose the account, e.g., your brokerage or checking, enter the check amount, and follow the prompts to take clear photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. Submit the deposit. Funds are typically available for trading by the next business day. My crucial pro tip? Endorse with "For Schwab Mobile Deposit Only." On the back of the check, sign your name and directly below write, "For Schwab Mobile Deposit Only," and your Schwab account number. This protects you if the check is lost after you've deposited it, preventing it from being cashed elsewhere. Turn paper into investment capital in under 2 minutes. When was the last time you actually deposited a paper check? For more quick financial tech guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.